Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something really interesting to talk about. It's called the Emotional Freedom Technique, also known as EFT. It's a powerful tool that can help you release emotions, stress, and achieve emotional well-being. So let's go ahead and dive right in. First things first, what is EFT? Well, it's a combination of ancient Chinese acupressure and modern psychology. By tapping on specific points on our body, we can balance our energy and reduce negative emotions. Now, let's talk about the points used in EFT. There are several key points that we'll be tapping on. The first point is called the karate chop point. This point is located on the side of your hand between the base of the pinky finger and the wrist point. This point is associated with self-acceptance. The eyebrow point is located at the beginning of your eyebrow, closest to the nose. This point is associated with releasing negative emotions. Now, the side of the eyes, this point here is located on the bone on the outer corner of your eyes. This point is associated with letting go of limiting beliefs. And then under the eyes, located on the bone directly beneath your eye, this point is associated with reducing stress and anxiety. And then there's a point under the nose. This point is located between your nose and your upper lip. This point is associated with calming the nervous system. And then you have the chin point. It's located just beneath the lip crease, in between the lip crease and your chin. This point is associated with releasing emotional blockages. And you tap just like this. Your collarbone point is located just below your collarbone. So find your collarbone and just put your hands underneath. On either side of the breastbone, this point is associated with balancing energy. So we tap nice and gently here. And then the underarm point, located about 4 inches below your armpit, this point is associated with releasing negative emotions and increasing self-acceptance. You can tap this way or you can tap this way. Then there's a point on the top of the head. It's located at the crown of your head. So you can measure by bringing your thumbs to the apex of your head, of your ear, and then bring your middle finger to the very top, and then where that middle finger lands is where you want to tap. And this addresses the feelings of overwhelm and overall well-being. Now that you know the points, let's see how to use them. You start by identifying the emotional issue you want to address. Take a deep breath. Focus on the emotion, and using your fingertips, tap gently on each point while repeating a statement that acknowledges and addresses the emotion you're feeling. So, for example, if you're feeling anxious, you can say, even though I feel anxious, I am deeply and completely accept myself. So, even though I feel anxious, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I feel anxious, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I am anxious, I deeply and completely accept myself. Remember, the key is to acknowledge the negative emotion while accepting and loving yourself. You can repeat the tapping process until you start to feel a sense of relief and release. And that's it. The Emotional Freedom Technique, a simple yet powerful way to release emotional stress and achieve emotional well-being. Give it a try and let us know how it works for you. And don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to our channel for more tips and techniques. Until next time, take care and tap away those negative emotions.